Hey guys, welcome to my channel. To make a free website, first open Chrome. And then, go to the link given in description. Here, enter your email and enter any password you wish. Then after, click on Create Account. And now, select your website category. You can select any one. This makes our work easier while selecting the theme for our website. Here I am selecting music band category. You can select any category as you wish. Then, enter the name which you want to appear on the top of the website. Here you can edit your website. To edit any titles or paragraphs, simply tap on it, remove the previous text and enter the text you want to. You can edit these buttons and link them to any web pages or any URLs. I am linking this button to my YouTube channel. After publishing, when the viewer click on this button, he will directly go to my YouTube channel. I will not remove this website, and I will give this website link in description. You can simply go to that and see how it works. We can add new photos, new sections, new widgets like buttons, new pages, new blog posts. If you want a detailed video on how to customize this website, go to comments section and comment, make a detailed video on customization. As you comment, I can know that you want that video or not. By clicking on Publish, your website will go live with the URL name, which you have entered on starting. And now, our website had published. Let's see how is it. Here you can see, our website have SSL, and a .com domain. We can update our website again and again, as many times as we wish. You can add your social media buttons by simply clicking this and entering your URL.